two big times that there's going to be a change. One is going to start tomorrow morning when the first of the two impulses of much cold air come in, and then later tomorrow night. So that's what's going to happen, making early Friday really challenging for us. All right, we have a wind chill watch that's going to go into effect tomorrow night, Thursday night at 10 p.m. until Friday at 9 a.m. That'll be the lowest wind chill and also the lowest temperatures. And there's a high wind watch for the entire area. It's going to be windy tomorrow for sure. But later tomorrow night, when the final surge of cold air finally arrives, that's when we're going to have the highest spike in wind. And there are a couple of opportunities for snow squalls, at least a couple. One would be tomorrow morning, another one would be tomorrow night, when each part of the cold air makes its appearance here, crossing through. All right, to show you the wind gusts, you see it's windy already tomorrow and gets even windier during the course of the later afternoon and evening. You see there's a spike, 30, 40 mile per hour gusts. But check this out. This is close to the time when that front's going to come through that brings in the real heart of the cold. And there could be some very powerful wind gusts and also could be some blinding snow squalls. If you get those, they're very brief, but you can briefly get whiteout conditions. And then it's just plain windy as you head into Friday morning with very low temperatures for very dangerous wind chills. So my estimate is about 5 degrees with a 25 mile per hour wind in Boston at 8 a.m. Friday. That would make it feel like 17 below. Now, to show you the progression of temperature, watch the clock as we take you to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, remember, it will be somewhat breezy or windy, 20s, even a few teens out in the Berkshires, and even about 32 on the Cape. You're saying that's not that bad. But tomorrow, in spite of it being daylight, look, the temperatures actually fall during the day. And then, of course, they fall more tomorrow night, especially late at night. And on this computer model, look what's being predicted for Friday morning. 1 below in Worcester, 3 above in Boston, and that's with wind. So we're going to have either near record or record temperatures as well. And look at Friday at 1 in the afternoon. It's only about 11 in Boston and still single digits in Worcester. So Friday is going to be a very cold day. But I don't want to underscore tomorrow because it's going to be pretty cold as well. And my best estimate, Boston maybe drops to about 5 and Worcester about 0. But if it's a little bit colder, records could indeed be challenged. Right now, we're 37 in Boston. We have a 16 mile per hour wind. It's already a little colder to the west. And of course, the temperatures tonight will fall lower than they were last night and won't recover, as you saw, very much tomorrow at all. Now, to show you the opportunity of a couple of snow squalls, see how early tomorrow there could be a few, and they may even be moving through the region in scattered form. And then tomorrow night, when those winds really spike up, there could be a band of snow squalls coming through, brief but significant. And then Friday, we've got sunshine. But look what happens by Friday night. Clouds to the west. Look what happens by Saturday morning. Snow is overspreading the area. Now, as cold as it's going to get, there actually will be a thrust of warm air coming in, believe it or not, for the second half of the weekend. But we're going to have to go through a nasty early part of Saturday at least. Wow, a lot of weather to go through over the next 3 or 4 days. Here it is spelled out in more detail. Look at the temperature changes from early Friday morning to Sunday. We're going to go from being near 0 to into the 50s. And then we'll turn colder again Sunday night and early next week, but not as cold as it's going to be from tomorrow well into Friday. Wow.